Building Spelling Skills, Grade 3, Week 25. Word meaning. Answer the question. Our words are phone, alphabet, father, orphan, graph, half, nephew, enough, unhappy, happiness, Friday, happier, cough, photograph, happily. Number 1. What do you call a picture taken with a camera? That should be easy. That's a photograph. Number 2, what is the word for a child with no parents? That is an orphan. Oh, let me cross these off. Photograph, orphan. What is the name for all the letters from A to Z? That would be the alphabet. Which spelling word means all that is needed? Enough. What do you do when you have a bad cold? Cough. Which spelling words are names for family members? Father, and nephew. All right, my spelling dictation. So write the sentences, circle the spelling words. We know what to do. Number 1, her nephew thinks she saw a goat. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Last time, her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Number 2, happily, his cough was better by Friday. 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 Last time. Happily, his cough was better by Friday. Number 1. Her nephew was unhappy when he lost the photograph. Her needs to be capitalized. We need a period at the end of the sentence, and our spelling words are nephew, unhappy, and photograph. Number 2, happily, his cough was better by Friday. Now, happily needs to be capitalized because it starts the sentence. We need a period at the end of Friday. And actually, we need a comma after happily, but if you guys don't have the comma on Saturday, then I won't count you off, but try to remember happily, and then there's a pause, and that's when the comma is. So his cough was better by Friday. So happily is a spelling word, cough, and Friday.